Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you don't mind. My fall autumn 2018 video is now just posting. As you guys know, I've been having a pretty busy past couple of months, so I hope you guys can appreciate this. Better late than never. Anyway, here you see the DIY tray that I made. I also have a video on that, and this is just my buffet table that I've placed behind my couch and just added some autumn decor. I really much like it there. It just takes that out of the way for a little while to open up the space for new things, and yeah, I really like how that looks. So this is my entryway, the front of my house. It's a split foyer, so you have to go up the stairs to come into the main level, which is the living room, the kitchen, dining room. And here you can see as you go up the stairs, this is my buffet table right there behind the sofa. And coming into my living room, this is pretty much what it looks like. And I just hold some knickknacks there, like some wines and some other stuff that I kind of don't use on a daily basis, so it's just there because we have it. And here we have the whole living room. This is of course the TV, our computer table, and my new couch or sofa. I got it from Ashley Furniture, and this is pretty much like that little split sectional with that little thingy that I like to call the cuddle chair, just because you can put your feet up. So I have it in the charcoal gray color, which is the color that I wanted to match the rest of my decor, and I love it. So far so good. I absolutely love it, and yeah, I'm just glad I finally was able to find it and buy it, and yeah, I'm a happy camper. This is a DIY tray that I did in my fall DIY video, and here I hold my favorite Bath & Body Works candle, the pumpkin cupcake, and some other autumn stuff. And on the couch I just have some pillows in the autumn colors and a throw. And again, here we have a pumpkin that I got brand new, and then a pumpkin that I've had for a couple of years now. And this is pretty much how it's looking. And I love it. I actually do love it, and yeah. Again, this year I incorporated some orange and gold and just all types of shades of autumn, which is yellow, creams, and stuff like that. And I really enjoyed this color scheme because I don't think I've ever done the orange and gold before, so this was new this year. And again, this is just behind the couch, some knickknacks that I'm holding just because we don't use it every day. Board games, some candles, some picture frames, you know, just little novelties here and there. And yeah, it's just tucked behind the couch where nobody really goes. So I thought that was perfect to kind of tuck that buffet table for now behind there until I use it again. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, better late than never, but this is how my home was looking for the fall, and I am ready to decorate for Christmas, so that video will be coming soon, so stay tuned. Have a blessed week, and I'll see you all very soon.